Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening voice memos and making sure the iPhone mic is available. Allow microphone access when asked. This lets the app capture audio. If you're using an external mic, plug it in and confirm it has power, because quality depends on the source. Now, position the iPhone 12 inches from the speaker for clear sound. Tap the red record button and watch the waveform and timer. Once recording begins, speak at a steady level and avoid touching the phone. Once you stop, you can clean the clip quickly. Tap the recording, choose Edit Recording, then use the trim handles to remove unwanted start and end sections. Drag and play to preview. If you want to preserve the original, select Save as New Recording so you keep both versions. After trimming, tap the default title to rename with a clear label like Meeting 10-22 or Idea 1. Make sure to add any location or short note so you can find it later. To finish, tap Share and pick Messages, Mail, AirDrop, or Save to Files. Use iCloud for backups across devices. Make sure the file name is descriptive before sharing. If voice memos won't record, force quit the app and reboot your iPhone, then check Settings Privacy Microphone to confirm access. If audio sounds distorted, test a different app or try the headphones mic to isolate whether the problem is hardware. If issues persist, update iOS or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.